Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there in your kitchen. So Chef Kale, what is on the menu today?
You know, no matter what time of the year, our produce section at Ingles is amazing.
Oh yeah, without a doubt, amazing.
So today we're going to do a little something inventive with the zucchini.
Okay,
You know, people can saute it, you can grill it, you can roast it. We're going to carpaccio it.
Carpaccio, oh really? Okay,
That's
all
right.
right, excellent.
Normally it is thin slices of raw meat. Today it's thin slices of zucchini.
That's awesome, all right.
So on a mandolin, unless your knife skills are way better than mine,
Mandolin's the way to go for me.
you try to get it as paper thin without having it fall apart.
Okay.
So what I do is I walk with it. See how I have to kind of like push it up?
I see what you're doing, yeah.
And you just do that. Now, why don't you go ahead and feel those, Josh?
Okay, all right, yep.
See how wet they are?
Very, there's a lot of fluid liquid in
Right.
zucchini.
So we don't want that. So we're gonna layer it in between pieces of paper towel.
Oh, just to pull that out.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So after we do that and get it nice and dried out, I like to build this dish on what I'm gonna serve it in.
Okay.
Just because it's so thin and delicate, I don't want it falling apart.
Unless you mess with it, yeah, okay.
Let me
Makes sense.
use my reach.
All right.
So we're just gonna go ahead and start building. And see, now feel it. See what happened?
Yeah, that definitely. I mean,
Yeah.
there's still a little bit of moisture in there, but it's nothing like it was when we first.
We're gonna keep building. And if you wanna keep doing that,
All right.
what I'm gonna do is kind of roll this lemon here, just kind of break up the juices, because that's all we're gonna use.
Okay. And just want to at least layer it over just a little bit, right?
Yeah. So just cut this lemon up. What we're gonna do is squeeze the lemon on,
Nice.
and it kind of brightens it up. Raw zucchini kind of has a green flavor. I'm not sure how to explain that better than just a green flavor.
I agree with you though. I know what you're
Yeah.
saying.
This takes really, really good olive oil.
Okay.
Okay? And what you're gonna wanna do is let that marinate and sit for about a half an hour.
Okay.
After that, you bring it out. We'll just take some salt and pepper.
Nice.
And you can garnish this with whatever. I've seen people do it with honey. Really good local honey.
And what are we using today?
Today we're gonna use walnuts.
Excellent.
You can also use pine nuts.
Throw a little bit of garlic in there?
Yeah,
too?
we got some shaved garlic, raw of course.
Right, raw, all right.
And some red peppers.
Excellent.
And then what I found today at Ingles, what I thought was so cool was a balsamic glaze that was already made.
Ooh.
Right next to the...
Look at that. That's a beautiful dish. I love that. Thanks so much for joining us
Finish
here
all
at the
the
Chef's
vinegars.
Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time. Looks beautiful.
Perfect.